Emochi versus Character AI. So Emochi is a mobile AI chat app focused on anime and roleplay style virtual companions. Users create and customize characters, complete with backstories, personality traits, and avatar imagery, often with AI generated images to bring characters to life. So its process, it has immersive anime style interactions, it has rich storytelling and character expressions, and they have positive free-tier receptions. Now for Character AI. Character AI offers a web and mobile-based platform that lets users create and interact with AI characters, either fictional, historical, or original. It emphasizes natural languages, dialogue, customization, and roleplay across a vast customers and shared community. So its process, it has engaging and human-like chat experience. It also has an intuitive character creation. They also offer freemium model with strong value, which is free to start. So, although it comes with some cons, they have content moderation and censorship issues, they have ethical and safety concerns, and they have moderation systems. So overall, choose Emoji if you're a creative, anime or storytelling enthusiast who prioritizes character visuals, immersive roleplay, and narrative freedom. And choose Character AI if you want a rich, expressive conversation and a diverse community.